Hey, welcome back to Ohio Rec and Tech. I'm Jeremy, and this is my co-host, Luke. So we're in the garage today. It's kind of cold out, and we decided to do a little video, but I don't know. Luke's got this new bike over here. We got the Ego stuff. We'll do something with that later, I promise. Waiting for some snow, and then so you want to talk about that thing? You think?
We have Son-uva Digger, and it's a monster truck, and we are going to be running it today.
Sounds like a good idea to me. Let's talk about that.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, let me set this thing down, and we'll go through what we got. All right? Stick tight. Like Luke said, welcome back. Happy New Year. And things are still crazy with the whole COVID thing going on or whatever. So we've been doing a lot of things inside, whatever, but we decided time to pick up the new Losi
Son-uva Digger.
Son-uva Digger.
And we are going to run it.
Why didn't you want Grave Digger?
I don't know. So.
You like Son-uva Digger better?
Yeah.
Is it the color?
Yeah.
You like the blue?
Yeah.
Son-uva Digger is pretty cool. So big monster truck fans, like I said, we have, as you guys have seen, anybody that follows us, we have the Slash, great truck. We also have, what do you have here?
The Teton.
The Teton.
Which is a little truck.
Which is a little truck, but it's a lot of fun. We can run it in the house, right? Mm-hmm. But we saw that Losi was coming out with this. I'll sit this down. And we saw that Losi was coming out with these new actual Monster Jam licensed trucks. And we could have got one from the hobby shop early and tested it, but I surprised you, didn't I?
Yeah, so because we thought we were going to get the Grave Digger, but we got this truck. And
Did you know we were even going to get a truck?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
You did not.
Is that what you had to go?
Well, yeah.
For the surprise?
Luke and I had a couple errands to run. They called me. The truck came in a week early, and we bought this. This is, I'm no sponsors or anything like that. I could have borrowed one from the local hobby shop, but I wanted to wait and see, and I did a little research, and a lot of guys out there already have videos on this, which is great. That's kind of, if I'm spending my own money, I'm going to wait and see what people think. And really, the reports are astonishing. I mean, it behaves like a real monster truck. It does all this great stuff. And so I decided we would go ahead and get it. So let's get this thing out of the box. Yeah. I'm tired of waiting around. Now, what we did do also.
What are we waiting for? Let's get it out.
Don't tell me what we're waiting for. So my local hobby shop, this truck's retailing for somewhere in the neighborhood of $5.99. My local hobby shop, $5.79. Awesome deal. And then
Grave Digger too.
and we'll get a Grave Digger body and put on this because we're not going to. So then we went with the Spectrum. This is actually called the 4S battery and charger bundle. So ready to run trucks come kind of ready to run. We went with the 4S bundle. Now 4S doesn't mean there's a 4S battery in here. It's two 2S batteries and a cool, very cool. Whoa. Let's not throw that out of the box. We'll go with the charger first here. Super cool LCD, color LCD unit, charging unit, smart. And check that thing out. That's pretty awesome.
I like it.
So we'll have to see how that works. I've seen a few of them in action. It comes with the 2S hard case batteries. Obviously you got the charging cable, and then it's got the 3 IC or 5 IC adapters. Pardon my terminology, I'm more of a Traxxas person. That's our charger.
Let's open it right now.
Box is huge.
And it has
honestly, again, the ready to run, tells you what you need, says what's included.
It even has Dalmatian.
It does. I never realized the graphics on that truck were that in depth. We've got chassis overview on this side of the box.
The body.
Yeah.
The chassis body.
Oh no, just that's the body. The chassis view is on the other side. You know that.
So,
Monster Jam licensed. We have a hinge style body. I don't know exactly how the pins and stuff on this one work. And it's got lights, which we are approaching about 4 o'clock our time here, so we got about another hour of daylight. So we need to get this thing out.
Look at that controller.
I've already charged the batteries. So we need to get this thing out. We need to dump some batteries in it, and then we need to try to. Are we going to run it here at the house, or do you want to take it somewhere? Let's take it to. I got a field we can go to. Deal?
Field?
Yeah, it's got some trails. How about that?
Oh! Look at the body! It's so cool!
So, very nicely packaged.
Yeah, I like
Right?
the skull on top.
The skull on top is super cool, dude. I am excited.
Um,
So, let's do this. I'm going to pull him out this way.
Oh, look at his wheels. They're so
Can you
cool.
take the box and just turn it? Can you spin it? Don't let it fall. Just spin the box. Good job. All right, now, the moment I've been waiting for. The moment you've been waiting for.
That.
Oh, wait. Hang on.
He's so
It's broke. We got to take it back.
No. Don't break me.
I pranked you.
What are we waiting for?
So, all right. Hold on.
You've been waiting for this so long.
Oh my God. You got it? Get that off there, man. I'm more excited than he is, I think.
Oh.
Okay, maybe not.
Look at the.
Take that back.
Look at the guy.
So let's see how big this is compared to the Slash. Both are 110, 110 scale trucks, but this is the size comparison between our Monster Slash and the Son-uva Digger. So these are all, they're Monster Jam licensed, so I don't know, but I'm hoping, hey, are you hoping that Losi maybe comes out with a, with like a Max D and all the other trucks? Maybe they'll have like 4 or 5 or 6 different bodies
Maybe
you can get.
they have like a dragon truck, like the red.
I think
one,
so.
Like with the wings up.
I did notice, and some people have pointed it out, is that this sticker isn't exactly black because of somehow the photo printing. It's like a sticker. The blue flames are awesome. The grill, killer. Spectrum servo, Metal Gear servos. We've got an aluminum frame in here. Yep, that's aluminum. We got the pipes coming out the side. Beadlock type wheels, not real, but still foam, filled tires. And we got what, multi-link suspension under here. Look at this thing. Look at those freaking trailing arms, dude.
Don't drop her.
Check that out. I'm not. Super
Don't drop
beefy
her.
axles. Everybody's pointed that out. The multi-link suspension's great. The frame up inside there. The detail is awesome. They did a killer job. It's like a monster truck wheel on the outside, but it's like a kind of a stadium truck wheel on the inside. We got the wheelie bar, so we don't flip over. And that chassis, that frame that mounts, looks like the body and everything on the sides there, kind of runs all the way through there. And back around to this side. I can forgive the whole sticker thing. It's fine. I don't have a problem with that. I think personally, it's a good value on a truck. What do you think? Good.
It opens like this all the way, but you don't want to break the plastic.
Yeah, so it's got a plastic hinge. Well, the body, the way it rests. So I could see if you push on that could break. I don't know, but the battery tray doesn't have. There's no kind of cutout in here. And the battery that I have, the batteries that we have, they don't sit flat.
It does.
There, I believe that's on.
And then can I do that?
Check. Okay.
Can I do that?
Let's see if it pushes together okay. Okay. Not very hard.
And then
I don't like the battery sitting on the cable like that. We're gonna cut a piece of that out. Then fold the body over, right?
And then
Here's the plug for the lights. Batteries, what? Got an extra battery strap?
extra battery strap,
Extra battery, extra body standoffs.
body standoffs.
All right, so we'll have to, let's not lose our pins.
Okay.
Let's take this and let's go over quickly. We have the remote.
Yep.
All right, so Spectrum remote. I don't know much about their stuff. I'll have to take a look at this thing a little bit, right? We'll have to learn what does what here. Looks like we do have a battery level, whatever. They give you batteries for it. Looks like we have some, oh, that's cool, throttle limits. So you have throttle limits right, let me get that to focus. You have throttle limits right on the top of the remote, which is nice. The Traxxas system, you have to go through the speed control, so that's pretty cool.
So yeah,
Power button's on the back. Push it. Boom. Green light. All right.
So we gotta figure it out.
I'm gonna hold this. Can you press that button? Power button? Oh my God.
Ooh.
Oh. Please don't take off.
Oh.
Little. We have throttle.
Can I see the light?
Look at that.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Hey, you want to turn the lights out? Here. That's so cool. All right. How do we do this? Let's see. So, yeah.
I can still see stuff.
Pretty slick.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. When can we run it?
Right now. High five. Boom. Stay put. We'll be right with you. We're at the local park. It is cold out. What do you think?
We have the RC truck.
What we noticed on the remote with the different speed settings, you got 50, 75, and 100. And 50 is great. It does a lot. Too cool. What do you think? Is that fun?
Yeah.
Hey, that don't look like any kind of fun. Let's see how fast it goes. Hey Luke, go ahead and stick it on. Let's go on 50. Let's go on 75. The middle one. Can you get the middle one? Here, you got gloves on. Here, I got you. There. No good. He wrecked it. He wrecked it. This is why we can't have nice things.
This is really fun. It keeps like rolling over.
All right, come on. All right, let off and turn. Go. Oh. Do I need to drive?
No.
And let off when you turn.
You didn't really.
And let off when you turn.
Oh.
I know. Go.
That thing was awesome.
All right. So we brought it. There's a little path that comes through here, so we're going to see what it can do through some of this stuff. You go along. Hold it. Stop. You fell.
It's this.
Did you break my remote?
No.
Okay, hey, see this thing? There's thorns on that. You gotta watch stuff like that.
I'm feeling confused.
Guess what? I'm gonna put that on YouTube. He fell. It's going. Ooh, you know what this is?
What?
That is a deer scrape. Believe it or not, look at all the mate cords in there too. The deer would be happy with that. See that little tree right there? Right here. See this?
Yeah.
What do you think did that?
The deer.
The deer. What kind of deer did that?
Those deers that has the antlers.
The deers that has the antler. A buck did that. Yes, they're called bucks. So, well, you scared me. God, I thought the buck was coming to get us. One of the things we like about RC is we get to get outside and do stuff. And you get to get out and walk around and spend some time with family.
Yeah.
So, that's what I like about RC.
God, again?
Every time I turn around, this kid's on the ground, I swear.
Oh my God. Are you gonna get that
Yep. Are you, hey, you're wearing the woods. I hope the remote makes it. So let me see the remote. The remote's got, what, 2 lights? What's this telling us? Oh, that's the actual battery level on that thing. Okay. Okay, slow, 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 and turn. Slow down and turn. Let's see what you got. There you go.
You can see the highlights of that thing.
What do you think? What'd you just do?
100%.
That looks like 75. That's not 100. Whoa! What? Put my glasses on then. Yeah, I got no steering. Hang on.
Guys, I don't know what's happening.
Okay, we're gonna wrap the video up because the truck quit working. For some reason, the truck is on. Battery's all plugged in and everything. But we definitely lost steering. It would only turn to the left. And now I got no throttle. Okay, anyway, we had a little problem. I don't know what happened. Dead throttle, dead steering. The truck has a brand new battery, and I got no battery status lights. So I don't know if something got interfered with it or whatever. But anyway, it basically would only turn left, and then after that, the throttle, we powered it down a couple times and back up, and the throttle doesn't work, nothing works.
Yeah.
So, I guess we're gonna go troubleshoot that. But anyway, that's sometimes the way it goes, right? We'll get it figured out, won't we?
Yeah.
We can fix that. So, hey, thanks for watching Ohio Wrecking Tech. Sometimes it doesn't always go like you plan, but unfortunately, that's just the world of RC, I think, sometimes, right?
Yeah.
All right, like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Man,
It's still recording.
I know. You broke my truck. You're going to pay for that.
No.
You are.
Fine, I'm just walking down.
You can walk home.
Alright, see ya. I'll walk home.
Later. Good luck. The deer, don't let the deer get you.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you guys. Got nothing else on this.